Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. This is Fatematuj, Johora, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a class for the students of class 7, and our students topic is chapter number 1, lesson number 6. It is about Asmaul Husna, and you will receive HW number 3. Dear student, let's start our today's topic. Here it is lecture number 3 and topic chapter 1, lesson number 6, HW number 3. Dear students, it is lesson number 6 is Asmaul Husna. Here is the definition. The word Asma is plural form of the word Isim. It means names. You know, Isim means names. The word Husna is the superlative degree of Husnun. Okay, Husnun means the most beautiful. So the meaning of the word Asmaul Husna is the most beautiful names. According to Islamic terminology, here you have gotten the worldly meaning, okay, of Asmaul Husna. Now Almighty Allah has a lot of attributive names. These names are collectively called Al Asmaul Husna. Okay, now what is Asmaul Husna you have gotten here? Allah the Almighty said in the Holy Quran, "Walillahil asmaul husna fad'u biha." Okay, so so Allah has some beautiful names, so you have to call by those names. Call Allah by those names. Impact of Asmaul Husna. The impact of Asmaul Husna on human life is boundless. It influences human life from two sides. Firstly, we can know Almighty Allah through these names. We can learn about His power and qualities. We can understand that if we commit any sinful act, He will punish us. Okay, He will punish us. Besides, Allah the Great is our provider of food, bestower of niyamat, and most compassionate. As a result, we can be thankful to Him for the niyamat we enjoy. Okay, here is the first cause. And here secondly, the attributive names of Almighty Allah inspire us to attain good qualities. So we will try to accomplish ourselves in our life with the qualities of Allah, such as Allah is the most merciful. We shall also show mercy to everyone. Okay, so here following these attributes names of Allah, we will be benefited. Okay, and the influence of human life, here you have got it. Now come here, it is here one name of Allahu Hayyun. It is one kind of one of the beautiful name of Allah, Allahu Hayyun. The word Hayyun means ever living, one who is living forever. Allahu Hayyun means Allah is immortal and ever living. He remains forever and will remains forever. Understand? Allah say, Allahu la ilaha illa huwa al-hayyul qayyum la ta'khuzuhu sinatun wa la nawm. This is Surah Baqarah. Okay, so Allah will be forever, remain forever. Okay, Allahu Qayyum means, the word Qayyum means eternal, everlasting, ever existing, ever present, and upholder of everything. In Islamic term, the entity which exists forever to suppress and preserve all characters is called Qayyum. So what is Qayyum? You have gotten here. So Allah is Hayyun, Allah is Qayyum. Allah, here Allah will be forever and Allah will be existing, everlasting, ever existing, ever present. Okay, two attributes of Allah here. Now Allahu Azizun. Allahu Azizun, the word Azizun means the superb, okay, victorious. Almighty Allah is the originator and owner of all power and authority. His power is infinite. His authority has no limit and boundless. Okay, Allah says in the Holy Quran, Allahu Azizun Tiqam. Allah is the super victorious Lord of punishment. Okay, so Allahu, another beautiful name of Allah, Allahu Khabirun. Khabirun means all aware, Allahu Khabirun means Allah is well aware of everything. He knows everything. Okay, so there is nothing is hidden from Allah in this world and inside your mind, inside your brain, and even in the dark ocean, under the dark ocean, all the things are known by Allah. Okay, in here about these things Allah said, Inna Allaha alimun khabir. Allah, there undoubtedly Allah knows everything. Allah has the news of everything in this world. Okay, all the things. Now another attributes of Allah, Allahu Saburun. The word Sabur means most patient. Allah Saburun means Allah is the most enduring. His patience has no limit. Allah loves them who patient. So here is one kind of quality of Allah we should possess. These things, sabr or patient. Allah says, Inna Allaha ma'as sabirin. Okay, Allah says in another verse, Inna Allaha ma'as sabirin means Allah is always with the patient person, means who is patient, who keep forgiveness and who keep patience. So Allah will be always with them. Obasir sabirin. Here is another verse about the sabirin means sabarun or patience. Okay, dear students, it is only lesson number 6. It is about Asmaul Husna in chapter 1. So your HW will be on this part. It is HW number 3. Write 5 attributes of Allah. You have to write 5 attributes of Allah in Arabic. Okay, and you have to write the meaning and describe it. Okay, write the meaning and describe the attributes of Allah. 5. Okay, dear students, I hope that you have understood today's lesson. You can follow this note also, and that's all for today. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.